Hi everyone, Sherry here.
Are you wondering what to do with your leftover barbecue spare ribs? Now don't laugh, it can happen. Actually, Dave was going to finish eating his ribs that we had the other night, and I says, no, don't, I've got a great idea. So tonight I'll be making barbecue rib pizza. So originally I was just going to pretty much do it as a basic barbecued ribs and sauce and cheese. But we're going to make it more like a supreme because I've got lots of leftovers. So what all goes into the barbecue rib pizza? First off, I have a leftover pizza crust, my leftover barbecue spare ribs, and these are baby back ribs, olive oil to put on the crust, microwavable bacon, a jalapeno, 2 types of cheese, mozzarella and Mexican cheddar jack, leftover mini pepperonis, leftover Jim Beam Smoky Barrel barbecue sauce. I'm going to use that instead of pizza sauce. Originally I was going to use black olives, we didn't have any, so I'll be using some green olives. This is going to be fun, so let's begin. Preheat your oven to 400. So take your pizza crust and we'll put olive oil on it. This will help it get brown and delicious. Then when you're building a pizza, you want to add your sauce, and I'm using the Jim Beam's Smoky Barrel sauce. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on. Smear it around. Whoops, put a little bit too much on. The next thing you do when you build a pizza is then you lay down your meats. So the first thing I'm going to put down is my leftover little mini pepperonis. Like I said, this was going to be just a barbecue rib pizza, but I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough ribs left over. It's about 1/4 of a rack. But after I cut it off the bone, it's pretty good. I could have probably just done a rib pizza. But I had all these other things that were left over, so I might as well use things up. Actually, what I forgot to do, before you add the meats, you put your cheese down. I was in such a hurry to get started on this, I forgot my cheese, so we'll put the cheese on top of the pepperoni. Then we'll add the rest of the meat. So it actually goes crust, sauce, cheese, meat, veggies, and then more cheese if you want more cheese. And that's how you build a pizza. Or at least that's how I build a pizza. You can do it however you want to. Next we'll add our cheese. I'm going to add mozzarella. So then next, this is the barbecued ribs. That on there. I actually got quite a bit of it, more than I thought. And then we're going to put our bacon on there. All of our meat is on. And then we'll put our veggies, the jalapenos. I cored and seeded most of them. The smaller ones have a few seeds. I used a new de-seeder that my daughter got me for Christmas. I'll put the link down below. I didn't do it on camera because I didn't know how well it worked. Next time I'll show you how it works. And then next we're going to put on the green olives. And then next we're going to add both of the cheeses on top. And this is your pizza. If you have leftover ribs, I know it's almost impossible, but if you do, you can make this any way you want to. That was a Mexican cheddar jack cheese, and we'll put on some more mozzarella. And we'll put that in a preheated 400-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes. until the cheese is bubbly and everything is heated through. So after 9 minutes in the oven, I did set it under the broiler for about 3 minutes to get the top kind of brown. We'll let this sit for 2 minutes and then we'll dish up. So here is the leftover barbecue rib pizza. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It smells like barbecue or something.
Yeah, it's leftover barbecue ribs.
Oh, huh. Think I've ever eaten a barbecue rib pizza. Those jalapenos are pretty hot.
I de-seeded them.
Those jalapenos are pretty hot. Not that bad. This is good. It doesn't remind me so much of a pizza. You know, the pepperoni-ish pizza, but I really like this. It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.